Hello and welcome to Geekatplay Studio Tutorials. We continue to exploring Plan Factory Producer Edition 2016. We looked before on some painting tools, so right now I want to actually look a little bit closer with a painting, how we can use this, what benefits of using painting tools, and how we can adjust everything in this case. So let's go right here and we'll have our standard lookup kind of preview. I'm going to expand a little bit more so we have more room to see what we're painting. You'll notice to paint we have actual tools on the bottom. It's called automatic mode. You can also access to edit active tools, and we can select from here to drop like draw, touch up, select, or we can just press hotkey as well. And you notice it is Alt P for touch up, Alt P for draw, Alt T for the touch up. So we'll go with the draw tool. And because we're in automatic mode, as we start drawing, the system is detecting if we're drawing on the ground and will create root first. So for example, I'm going right here and I'm start drawing, and you can see we have a root node kind of start creating at this point. If I continue drawing in a node mode, the system will recognize what place I'm drawing and will create it. So let's continue in after mode for now. And for example, right here, I'm going and I create a branch. So right here, one branch, we create second branch, and let's create one more branch right here. Okay. Notice this branch, for example, become yellow. We will use this in the next look when we look on touch up tools. Also, we have some message come up. One thing when you start painting, what I like to do, it is enable a specific mode. So for example, let's go switch to selections. And when we select, I want to see what I selected. So I like to enable highlight select. So in this case, I can see which area actually I'm modifying or what I'm working on. As we drawing, we adding shape, and currently you can see this is kind of twisting shape. This is going with a spline, so we can actually preview them if we're going to touch up tool. You can again go press Alt T or click on icon or go from drop down. So notice right here we have now spline tools on the branches that we selected currently. With the spline tools we can modify them by moving from center point up and down. We can change angles as well, extend it, make it smooth, and also can adjust this way, pointing down example. Also, we can add additional, so we can press shift and left click, and it will add additional point if we need to add more smoothness or rotating in other areas. If we need remove pivot point, all what we need to do, just to right click, and it's will remove our spline point that we just created. So this way we can modify and adjusting. But remember, before we had problem, for example, with this branch that wasn't properly connected. When we click with touch up tools, we also have this center gizmo. You'll notice right here it is connecting to the plant. So now we have an ability if we modify it, and it's also applied to all other branches as well right here. So with this one we can scale, and you can see right here as a root we increase. We can reduce size of our branch, and we can move this branch along our parent branch. Of course, we can modify. If we want, we can rotate. Okay, let me select this one again. Okay. We can rotate the branch. We can adjust the bear position if we need it. And in this case, I want to just move slightly so we kind of covering properly here. And maybe go even on top. So there you go. We kind of adjust this branch. You will notice as we editing and manipulating, this is also adjust inside our properties, so it's interactive. For example, if we're going and we set 5 for the link, you see how the link increase. We go interactively select our gizmo tool and reduce size. Notice right here, it's also reduced to 0.6. So this is kind of the link together. Whatever you're painting inside, it will modify with a link and all the sizes and properties as we're going along. Okay, so let's look what's happening if we want to modify some different elements, if more than one.